This is the COSORI Smart Scale that I picked up from the team. This is awesome. If you're someone that's maybe on a health journey, you want to know what you're consuming, maybe you just do a lot of cooking, you need to be really accurate, this is what you're going to need. The scale itself is Bluetooth and it does link up with their free app VeSync, which you can pick up from the App Store, which also links up to 19 different tracking apps if you're someone that likes to track what you're eating. And using the camera on your phone, you scan your barcode, it tells you absolutely everything. It doesn't just tell you how much the weight of the food is, it also tells you the calories, fat, protein, and all your macros and micros as well, so you know exactly what you're getting. Really like the big display on this because it makes it really simple to see what you've got. I like that it's also wipe clean, so if you're a bit of a messy cook as well, it's going to be really nice and easy to keep it clean. And COSORI themselves are a really great brand. I think it's a really nice sleek design. The database is absolutely massive. It's actually designed for the UK, so everything you're going to get in your supermarket is going to be on that database. And the fact that you get a free app as well is really awesome. And I like the fact that database is going to be constantly updated as well. So even if new things come out, when you go down your Aldi aisle and get all your bits and bobs, you know the app's going to be able to pick it up. As someone who's lost 7 stone, tracking what I'm eating, being accurate, being consistent with it, and knowing what I'm eating is really important to me. So if you are someone maybe on a health journey or just wants to know what's in their meal, this is going to be really great.